now start in my new course CCNA free of cost, nothing pay required. So please learning in my full CCNA course and easy to way. Don't worry, any inquiry, so please text and mail, already sent in my mail and text. After I will help, everything is I will help, don't worry. So listen to my full CCNA course free of cost, don't worry. After I will arrange cloud platform course, so please go through in my CCNA course and learning. So in my video, okay, so please subscribe in my channel and share all friends. That's why that is my need to declare. I hope listen in my language everything. So follow in my channel and learning in my first arrange in my CCNA course. Theory and practical both I will arrange. Don't worry. Everything noted and step by step noted. After I will share CCNA exam certificate, how to arrange and how to exam facing, all everything is here. CCNA exam question, how to make ready in CV, everything in I will arrange. Please go through in my all lecture and video and note it, and any inquiry, so please text in my channel. Okay, thank you. So now start today CCNA first class day 1 CCNA easy learning to CCNA class day 1. Thank you, thank you, thank you.